One-point perspective is a simple drawing method that consists of a horizon line, a baseline, and one vanishing point. Draw an object. On each corner of your shape, draw a diagonal line to the vanishing point. Do this for every corner of your shape. Decide the depth of your object and draw a vertical and horizontal line to complete the shape. Repeat these steps on all objects. Define your lines when done.